friends, this is Selva. Day by day we are uploading IT related content videos. Successful solution. Today we are see could not install MS Office 0-2048 error. Okay, how to solve that? Open run appis.cpl add and remove. Just remove it old MS Office, and after C drive program files and program 86 under any MS Office product files is there. Just delete it. Okay, now deleted, and then run /program data, type and open, and under Microsoft any Office folder is there, or check and just delete it. Okay, then same run program files, app data, percentage app data, press type and 3 folders there: local, low, and roaming. Okay, these three folders under Microsoft in any Office folders there. Just go and delete it, Excel or any. Okay, now updata program updata, local, 3 are open and we check it. Here local is one Office folder is there, just deleted. Okay, then search bar, just search regedit.msi, right click on open run as administrator. In under 2 parts same like Office folder, just delete it, local machine and local users. Okay, both software in under Microsoft under Office, just delete it. Okay, Office folder, just delete it. Then same do this local machine also, software Microsoft and Office folder, just delete it. Where is it? Here is there. Okay, just right click and delete it. Okay, and for Office CSP also delete it. Just close and restart your computer. Then your procedure. Now MS Office, how to download and install it here. Okay, you have MS Office, just skip it, this procedure. Directly you install your MS Office. Now I am download in MS Office. Now just click create a desktop MS Office 2024 okay folder, then browse Microsoft development toolkit. Okay, deployment development toolkit, just download and open, run as administrator, then extract to click and continue this folder, browse extract to your create on MS Office desktop folder, just click on OK. Click OK, and then again browse Microsoft customization tool on Chrome or browse. Okay, then click first option, and here those things there. Bit select your MS Office which one I need 64-bit and select it. You select your MS Office 2019, 21, 24, Microsoft Office 2024, Professional Plus 2024, Standard 2024, Professional Plus 2021, Professional Standard. Everything is there. Just select, choose it your choice, and latest version. Put latest version. Here OneDrive desktop icon. Need edit. I don't need, so I put off. Just everything next finished. Here select one language. I need a language, English language. You select your language here. Click next. Just everything click next. You have MS Office product key here. Set it here. KMS activation in Microsoft. Then Your right side is there export option. Click export option. Just download the configuration file. Here just open XML format, click on OK. You click on export it here. Now that copy, now download the copy file. Just copy paste to desktop MS Office 2024 file. After the file, just copy paste to desktop folder. Okay, paste and refresh it once. In this under procedures there, you given the link, go and do it. Just copy folder, paste to C drive. This folder MS Office 2024 or MS Office 2021 your MS Office. Just open procedure. This for procedure. Folder copy paste once. Here copy and paste C drive under and C MS Office 24 run as administrative for command. Follow this procedures, all the steps. Okay, good, fine now. Now need to internet, compulsory need to internet here. Wait several minutes. Thank you friends, thank you for watching Server Solutions. Day by day related content videos uploaded in my channel. So just subscribe Server Solutions. You need any MS Offices, the same link, go and download it. Your professionals plus everything. Okay, thank you
Server
for watching.
Solutions like and share, subscribe பண்ணாத subscribe பண்ணி bell button click பண்ணிக்கங்க.